Naciste un... Ay, Dios.
Mama.
No tenés mamá, no tenés... Did you know don't have mama?
Contexto: me entré a la partida de un amigo random y todos eran estadounidenses.
Did you want a... Did you want a skin?
I literally have that.
¡Está haciendo acá, Samalo, sentate, rodeadísimo para el highlight y para TikTok, duro!
Okay. So give me 1 million skins.
I will give you if
I
you...
already have.
No. I will give you if you kill me. If you kill me, I give you 1 million skins.
Give you what?
I will give you 1 million skins if you kill me.
Give you what?
I will give you 1 million skins if you kill me.
But what? What do I have to give you?
Nothing. Just kill me and I give you 1 million skins.
Okay, I'll look for something that I can give you. Oh, I could give you be nice. I can be nice. Okay?
Okay.
And then just give me 1 million skins. Yo, just your default. Yo, I was already sneaking up on somebody and then the default.
The first person to come with me, I will give him 1 million skins.
So
Okay.
you're a hacker.
Yes. You want the Renegade Raider?
Okay.
Okay. Hey!
Yo, this guy's already a hacker. He already has a big gun and he doesn't even have a big gun. He literally let me in.
No. Who wants the Renegade Raider? Who wants the Renegade Raider?
Yo no tengo pavos.
Bro, who is that? Papi dati ghetto, and nothing ghetto, papi dati that.
Who wants the Renegade Raider? Come with me.
I don't know. Oh, bro, who is that?
I am
Is that you, Default?
25.
Dragon Gainer.
Okay.
No,
You
bro, who
two
is
want
that?
Okay. You want the Renegade Raider? Yes? Okay, I will give you...
I want to get it.
Okay, fine, bro, who was that?
Stop.
Yo, somebody killed me.
Bro, that was me. No, I'm the rapper.
Okay, you now have the Renegade Raider. Look in your locker.
Bro, who's Fearless? Who's Fearless? I'm not my Renegade Raider, bro.
Yes, you are.
Bro, where's the Renegade Raider? No, is there the Renegade Raider, bro? Hey, bro, you give me the Renegade Raider.
But I give you the Renegade Raider. Look.
Please, is it Game Bobby? Give me the Renegade Raider.
But I give you. Look very nice. Look.
Bro,
You
what
don't
the hell? Oh yo.
Look. I give you the Renegade Raider.
Yay! Yo, bro, you relax, Default. Default, relax. I'll say relax.
I want the Dragon Gainer.
I don't know
The Dragon Gainer.
Bro, dude, I'm not.
Me voy.
Hey, Renegade Raider,
I
bro,
give
I
you.
can go kill you. You got not give me the Renegade Raider. Give me the Renegade Raider. Ah! Renegade Raider. Bro, you can die, bro. Hey, bro,
Hace frío y estoy lejos de casa. Hace tiempo que estoy sentado sobre esta piedra. Yo me pregunto, ¿para qué sirven las guerras? Tengo un cohete en el pantalón. Vos estás tan fría como la nieve a mi alrededor. Vos estás tan blanca y yo no sé qué hacer. La otra noche te esperé bajo la lluvia 2 horas, 1000 horas, como un perro. Y cuando llegaste me miraste y me dijiste, loco.
追ってくる仲間の名前とスタンド能力を答えねえっつうんならよ、もう片方の目の心配もしていた方がいいなあ。